Today, Army Recognition is the leading defense news information covering the most important defense exhibition in the world in the field of land, air and sea. We are now in Farnborough to cover Farnborough 2026. This is an international defense industry exhibition dedicated for aerospace and defense system. You can see behind me latest innovation and technology of aircraft, combat aircraft and also drones. In this case, we can see also new technology of drones, including collaborative combat aircraft and the very famous MQ-28 Ghost from Boeing Defense.
The Farnborough International Airshow is one of the world's leading aerospace and defense exhibitions, bringing together armed forces, defense manufacturers, government officials, and industry experts from across the globe. Held in the United Kingdom, the event showcases the latest military aircraft, defense technologies, and international cooperation programs shaping the future of air power. A major highlight of Farnborough is the flying display of the U.S. Air Force F-35A Lightning II. During its aerial demonstration, the fifth-generation fighter performed high-speed passes, steep climbs, tight turns, and advanced maneuvers that highlight its power, agility, and ability to operate in contested airspace. The F-35A combines low observable design, advanced sensors, electronic warfare systems, and secure data sharing capabilities. These features allow the fighter aircraft to detect threats, share targeting information, and conduct air-to-air and air-to-ground missions while supporting Allied forces during joint operations. The United States Armed Forces also maintain a strong presence at Farnborough, with several important military aircraft displayed on the ground. These include the CH-47F Chinook heavy lift helicopter, the C-130 Hercules tactical transport aircraft, and the latest armed version of the Black Hawk helicopter. The CH-47F provides heavy transport for troops, vehicles, artillery, and supplies, while the C-130 supports tactical airlift, airborne operations, and logistics missions from short or unprepared airfields. The armed Black Hawk demonstrates how the helicopter can combine troop transport with weapons for escort, close air support, and battlefield protection missions. Farnborough also gives major defense companies the opportunity to present new combat aircraft technologies, unmanned aerial vehicles, missile systems, radars, electronic warfare equipment, and military space capabilities. The exhibition allows armed forces and manufacturers to discuss future procurement, modernization, interoperability, and industrial cooperation. Army Recognition covers the most important military and defense aerospace news from Farnborough, including the F-35A flying demonstration, U.S. military aircraft displays, new defense contracts, and the latest technologies designed to improve operational effectiveness and deterrence.